Hi, my name is Daraksha Parveen and I belong to UP Kanpur, but here I am living in Hyderabad, Rajendra Nagar, and I am working in Accenture. And I got fracture in my right leg, two areas, upper and this upper knee and below the knee. So this was a big bone broken fracture. So and the below it was a crack fracture. So I got to know about this hospital Germanten by my neighbor. So my husband rushed me to here. He admitted me in this hospital, and the procedure it is done by Dr. Javed, and before that my situation was very bad. So my husband very well knows. He discussed with the doctor the my condition, that what will be the issues and how you will going to the surgery, how you will get complete everything, and what will be the consequence, like what will be the problem to solve this. So after discussion I gone under this surgery. So now I am little bit this is 5th day of my surgery. So I am feeling little bit better now, and result is also okay. Germanten.